Should you buy the Wolf 30-inch dual fuel Pro range? In this video, you'll learn all about the features of the Wolf, including burner output, oven functionality, and reliability. We'll also show you a comparison between the Wolf and its main competitors, Miele, Thermador, BlueStar. Stay to the end, and we'll even show you the one range that you might want to consider instead of the Wolf dual fuel or any of its competition. Wolf has good output on their burner starting at 20 and 18,000 BTU in the front where you cook the most, and a 15,000 burner and a 92 in the back as well. Wolf employs a 3-stage burner and can simmer as low as 340 BTU. Thermador does have a lower simmer at 100 BTU, but it turns on and off to reach the lower temperature. Wolf has changed their convection system a few times over the years, and now it's back to twin convection, dubbed VertiFlow, with larger elements for more even heat. So every cookie has the same shade and texture. You have 2 gliding racks. I have to admit, I didn't think much about racks until I started cooking. Now I realize it's much easier to pull out your food on a gliding rack. Wolf, along with One, the brand, has the best controls. They have knobs with a digital readout of the temperature so you don't have to bend. You also have the full clock and timer along with the touchscreen as expected because this range is over $8,000. But the Wolf Gourmet takes all the guesswork out of cooking. You input the food, how you like it cooked. The Gourmet calculates time, temperature, and even rack position. You also have smart functionality through their app. You can operate the range remotely. Dual fuel ranges require more service in general, but Wolf is one of the most reliable brands you can buy. Wolf's based in the US and family owned, so the parts and service should be much better. Although we always suggest checking reviews and service in your area. If you find this information helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel. Thermador is the #2 luxury brand. Star burner is cleanable because it's raised, unlike Wolf's and every other steel burner range. Thermador is less expensive by $600 to $1,600 depending on the series, and offers a free dishwasher as well. However, Wolf is still the better overall range with twin convection as well as the Wolf Gourmet system. The Miele dual fuel rivals the Wolf Gourmet. You pick the food and doneness. The range calculates time and temperature automatically. Miele also offers steam assist. You can bake bread and add flavor to your roast using up to 3 bursts of steam. Moisture heat is still better for roasting. It's easy to clean. The racks are designed to withstand self-cleaning. The stove grates can be placed in a dishwasher as well. Wolf has a technically better convection system. The Gourmet doesn't offer steam, but does calculate the rack position. BlueStar is another American family-owned company. Their new dual fuel has the highest output with 225,000 BTU in the front and 218 in the back. Its lowest simmer is only 500 BTU, so Wolf is less powerful, but you can simmer better. You can also customize BlueStar with 1,000 colors and 10 trims. You can make a unique range versus stainless for every other brand mentioned. However, Wolf has the Gourmet, a better convection system, and has smart functionality. Better alternative to this Wolf range could be a Wolf Induction 30-inch range. The oven's the same. The Wolf Induction can boil water faster, even faster than that BlueStar 25,000 BTU burner, and simmer way better than any gas burner. It's also the most child safe because the magnetic burners need to sense metal to turn on. Lastly, induction requires less venting due to its increased efficiency. If you want to look at that induction range, then check out this video, and thanks for watching.